Now loosen the screw and remove it. Push the rear derailleur forward and pull the chain off the clog set. Make sure the tire is completely deflated, and then pry a tire lever in between and slide forward until it removes the tire from the rim. Now remove the nut that is holding the valve down and take the tube off. Inflate the tires so you can find where the puncture is and listen for a hissing noise.
Okay.
Another way to find the puncture is by inflating the tube and inserting it in water, and as you can see, it would make the water bubble. Mark the puncture so you have an understanding where it is, and then begin to sand the tube. Apply the glue included in your repair kit, and then spread it evenly with a clean finger or the back of the patch. Before putting the patch on, wait 1 to 2 minutes for the glue to dry.
Yeah.
Then place the patch center over the puncture and press down on it to secure the edges. Inflate the tube to see if there's any problems. If not, you can now start to put the tube back in the tire. Insert the valve back into the rim and then put the valve nut back on, securing it. To get the tire back onto the rim, try sliding as much of the outer tire as you can to the inside of the rim. Now use the bicycle levers to pry/push the rest of the tire back inside the rim. The method that worked best for me was to pry underneath it and then slide forward while going up. Now do the same thing for the other side. To put the tire back on, pull the chain onto the cog set while aligning the brake between the brake pads.
Now slide the screw into the hub and screw it tightly.